Hello student, welcome to VidyaNest. Last day we had started sequence and series, and sequence and series we started with arithmetic progression, which is very much known to you. Though in arithmetic progression we did something special, which is VN method, and the summation, number of terms in a series. Okay, these were very much known to you, and it was taught. Few JE level question also we solved. Now, what formula? Sequence and series. In short span, I am revising the last day's topic. Last day in arithmetic progression, we got the series like that. The series will be either ascending or descending. In this way, it was terminated at a plus n minus 1 into d. This is considered as nth term, and summation of those terms in the series means a plus d, a plus 2d up to a plus n minus 1 into d. That summation we got n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d and n by 2 first term plus last term. First term plus last term, where a is first term and n number of terms, b common difference, d common difference. Now we got Sn, the difference between Sn and Sn minus 1, that is Tn, nth term. Beside this, we got arithmetic mean of two numbers a and b, a plus b by 2, and we got the concept that arithmetic mean lies between the numbers whose arithmetic mean we are told to find. Now, in case of n numbers, say x1, x2, x3 up to xn, arithmetic mean will be sum of the number by n. You can write this in terms of summation I 1 to n by n. That will be denoted by x bar. What weighted arithmetic mean we are taught last day? Weighted arithmetic mean. See, if x1 has weight f1, x2 has weight f2, up to xn has weight fn, then weighted arithmetic mean will be x1 f1, x2 f2 up to xn fn by, if you wish, you can write it in terms of summation. That is weighted arithmetic mean. Beside this, we had gone through the sum of n natural number, that is n into n plus 1 by 2, sum of square of n natural number, it is AP. Do you know arithmetic progression? Okay. So these formulas we are taught and few sums we did last day. So today we'll do some problem based on AP. If you wish, you can see the last day's video also. It is available. And today we are going to start geometric progression. Okay, geometric progression we are going to start. If it is taught, uh, if you are aware of this, okay, no matter. You see, there is no harm in seeing it again. Now we will do geometric progression. Must tell me if you find any difficulties anywhere. Don't hesitate. Don't compromise in perception, consuming the perception. Geometric progression. In short, it is called GP. If you are from CBSE background, you are taught AP only. In ISC, AP and GP both. Okay. So why it is called geometric progression? How it is related to geometry? The series like this, AR, you see in AP, the series will be like this. It will be increased by a fixed number, that is called common difference. And in GP, it will be increased by fixed ratio, AR, AR square, AR cube. It will, you see the increment of the number in, see, if you follow the series, then see it will be incremented by a fixed ratio. AR, how to find that ratio? You divide second one by first, third one by second, third one by second, fourth one by third. So in each case you see the common ratio will be R. This is called common ratio. In this way, you can get a general term in this uh, series, that is called general term you will get, that is A. See, this is second term, T stands for term. This is AR. What is the power? 1. How can you relate this power 1 to this second term? Instead of 1, you can write 2 minus 1. T3, AR square, 3 minus 1. So keep on increasing the exponent of power. Once you will get That is the nth term in the series. That is the nth term in the series. Now you can ask me how it is related to geometric progression. What type of, how I can relate this algebraic series to geometry. You see, if suppose there is a triangle and ABC, obviously it is a right angle triangle. In class 10, in similarity, you are taught this. See, once you get this is 90 degree, that means this is a semicircle, because semicircle subtend 90-degree angle on the circumference. This is also 90, this is also 90. So I can say triangle ABD similar to triangle ADC. Now you observe here AD is the perpendicular of this triangle and BD is the base of this triangle. So, and on this base, this triangle is drawn. That means now for this triangle, which is drawn on this base, this will be considered as perpendicular, this will be considered as base. Once you get two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides will be in equal ratio. So, here for ABD, perpendicular is AD, and for ADC, perpendicular is DC. And for ABD, base is BD, and for ADC, base is AD. Because on AD, the triangle ADC is drawn. So what relation you have got? AD square is equal to BD into DC. So this relation you got in similar triangles property in class 10. Now how it is related to geometric progression? See, if A, B, C are in GP, means geometric progression, according to this concept, what can I write? Second term by first term, means B by A is equal to third by second, C by B. So you are getting what? B square is equal to AC. So if you take the length of this side is B and length of these two sides and A and C, here also I can write B square is equal to AC. So using the concept of geometric progression, the result I got, that is similar to the result which can be we can derive from the similar triangle property. So this geometrical result depicts this geometrical figure. So GP or these series, this type of series has connection with a progression which is geometric. Okay, this is called geometric progression. Why the nomenclature is taken? Hope you understood. Now, how to find the summation of all these numbers? See, to find the summation, we need the basic concept of division algorithm, which you are taught in class 8. Suppose you are told to divide 1 minus x cube by 1 minus x. What will be the quotient? This will be the quotient. This is the remainder. So you can write 1 minus x cube by 1 minus x is equal to 1 plus x square. So dividend's highest power when cube, then quotient's highest power will be reduced by 1. Similarly, if you get 1 minus x to the power 4, then the quotient will be like this. It will be terminated at the power 3. In this way, if power is n, then the quotient's highest power will be reduced by 1. So this algebraic phenomenon will be used in finding the summation in GP. Okay? See, in GP, A, AR square up to AR to the power n minus 1. Now, if I take A common, what will be left in the bracket? This. See, this resembles this. This thing, if this thing can be reduced, can be expressed by this algebraic expression, then the same thing has come in terms of R, can be written as that is summation up to n terms. Hmm. Hmm. इन दोनों को एक बार फिर से आप बात करेंगे. ठीक है. ओके, तो लास्ट डे एक्चुअली वो एरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन का क्लास हो गया था. जो एरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन शायद सबको पता है, वो जो फॉर्मूला हम एक बार फिर बोल देता हूँ. एरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन है क्या? ये टाइप द प्रोलॉन्ग explanation you will get in the videos recorded last day. So in short span I am again telling you, see a series like this, ऐसे जो series है जो एक फिक्स नंबर से, फिक्स अरिथमेटिक नंबर से इंक्रीमेंट और डिक्रीमेंट होता है कि a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d in this way. So okay, the t can be positive or negative, whatever be. तो यहाँ पे देखो, ये है सेकेंड टर्म a प्लस 2d, यह है थर्ड टर्म सेकेंड टर्म a प्लस d, यह है थर्ड टर्म a plus 2d, fourth term a plus 3d. So in this way, taking the what I can say trend, I have got tn a plus n minus 1 into d, that is nth term. And ये जो ऑल नंबर का समेशन क्या है? a प्लस डी, a प्लस 2d से a प्लस n माइनस 1d तक. तो इसका समेशन है n by 2 2a प्लस n माइनस 1 into d. और इसको तोड़ के लिख सकते हो कि ये 2a को a प्लस a, तो a क्या है? फर्स्ट टर्म, और वो जो a प्लस n माइनस 1 into d वो है लास्ट टर्म. सो एसएन का दो एक्सप्रेशन है यहाँ पे, ए फर्स्ट टर्म, एन नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स, डी कॉमन डिफरेंस, सब बोल दिए. और जो अरिथमेटिक मीन, ए एन स्टैंड्स फॉर व्हाट? अरिथमेटिक मीन. अरिथमेटिक मीन, अरिथमेटिक मीन और कुछ नहीं. ये जो क्लास छोटा उम्र में 5-6 में जो एवरेज किया था ना, वही है अरिथमेटिक मीन. अरिथमेटिक मीन ऑफ टू नंबर्स a प्लस b by 2. सपोज दो नंबर के एवरेज ले रहा हूं, तो 2 and 4, इसका एवरेज क्या है? 3. तो 3 किसका बीच में लाई करता है? 3, 2 और 4 का बीच में ही लाई कर रहा है। सो जो अरिथमेटिक मीन होता है वो जो नंबर जिसका अरिथमेटिक मीन इज टोल्ड टू फाइंड उसका बीच में ही लाई करेगा। ठीक है, ये तो दो नंबर है, दो नंबर, ओनली टू नंबर्स। अगर ये नंबर 3 होगा a प्लस बी प्लस सी बाई 3, अगर 4 होगा a प्लस बी प्लस सी प्लस डी बाई 4, ऐसे n नंबर प्रोवाइड कर दिया। चलो n नंबर का समेशन क्या होगा, x1 x2 अप टू xn, टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर्स। तो इसको इतना टाइम प्लस ना लिख के यू कैन यूज द summation sign sigma. I hope you are quite familiar with this. x1 x2 xn, इसका जनरलाइजेशन क्या होगा, xi सफिक्स i 1 से स्टार्ट होके n में कंप्लीट होगा। जो ये सी, और अगर वेटेड अरिथमेटिक मीन है क्या, सपोज इन ए क्लास सपोज क्लास टेस्ट हो रहा है, क्लास टेस्ट में 50 मार्क्स आ गया 6 स्टूडेंट को, 70 मार्क्स आ गया 4 स्टूडेंट को, तो एवरेज क्या होगा, 16 to 5, and but you know these are the suppose number, and these are the students who got this number. This is the number one particular number, ये F2 नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स को ये मार्क्स मिला, तो कितना मार्क्स हुआ, दिस इंटू दिस। ऐसे जो एवरेज निकलते थे, ऐसे ही ये इसको बोलता है वेटेड अरिथमेटिक मीन, x1 f1 x2 f2 xn fn. This concept you got even in statistics. Now here also, instead of this you can write summation of xi fi. Instead of writing all this plus sign, this suffix I will be stands for these numbers. I start होगा 1 से, end होगा n में, नीचे भी summation of fi। तो ये बेसिक फॉर्मूला है एपी का। और कुछ सीरीज जो हम लास्ट डे किया था, इसका ये सीरीज का ऊपर कुछ सम भी डिस्कस हुआ था, 1 + 2 + 3 up to n, and sum of n natural number, sum of square of n natural number. Hope you have done this thing at home or even in junior class. Sum of cube of n natural number, ये सब मैथमेटिकल इंडक्शन से प्रूव होता है। यू कैन आस्क मी फ्रॉम वेयर इट इज ओरिजिनेटेड, कहां से आ रहा है ये सब, इंडक्शन से। ऐसे 4 5 whatever value you keep on increasing the value by mathematical induction, we can prove. Today our topic of discussion is geometric progression. तो arithmetic progression से इसका डिफरेंस क्या है, arithmetic progression में in the series numbers are increasing or decreasing with a fixed digit, either plus or minus. But in geometric progression, numbers are increasing with a ratio, fixed ratio, like this: ar square, ar cube up to ar to the power n minus 1. तो कैसे वो रेशियो आएगा, फाइंड कैसे करूंगा, तो सेकेंड टर्म को फर्स्ट टर्म से डिवाइड करके, थर्ड को सेकेंड से डिवाइड करके, फोर्थ को बाय इट्स प्रीवियस टर्म से डिवाइड करके, I will get a common term, common ratio. You had taught ratio proportion in junior class. Okay, just recall your memory. Common ratio R will get. ठीक है। Now ये जो सीरीज का जो एक्सपेंशन है, तो एक टर्म को चूज किया हम, सेकेंड टर्म काउंट करो, फर्स्ट टर्म सेकेंड टर्म T2, ये है AR। तो AR को देख के नहीं पता चलेगा, अगर तुमको ओनली AR बोल दिया, कैन यू कल्टिवेट वेदर व्हिच टर्म इट इंडिकेट्स, नो। बट इस ऊपर में जो पावर है 1, उसको हम 2 - 1 लिख सकते हैं, दैट मीन्स इट इज रिलेटेड टू सेकेंड टर्म। नाउ सी द come to the third term, T3 AR square. Now that 2 can be written as 3 - 1. In this way, you go to the last a r to the power n minus 1. So this is the nth term in the series. Okay. Now we are discussing why it is called geometry. इसका geometry से लेना देना क्या है? How it is related to geometry? Then we recall the concept of similarity which we are taught in class 10. देखो ये है semicircle. Any point lies on this semicircle and the two extremities of the diameter are joined. And from this vertex, a perpendicular is dropped. And class 10 में क्या था? देखो ये जो ट्रायंगल दोनों है ये सिमिलर. कैसे सिमिलर होगा वो सब लास्ट ईयर में हो गया तुम्हारा. तो जब तुम्हारा ये जो टू ट्रायंगल सिमिलर है तो उसका कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग साइड भी साइड का रेशियो इक्वल होगा. तो देखो ये जो ट्रायंगल है ए बी डी जो ट्रायंगल है ये जो ट्रायंगल में ये एडी परपेंडिकुलर. तो इस ट्रायंगल का क्यों परपेंडिकुलर एडी होगा? नहीं. व्हाई? बिकॉज एडी का ऊपर एक और एक ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ किया. तो तब डीसी परपेंडिकुलर होगा. तो इसका परपेंडिकुलर इसका परपेंडिकुलर. इसका बेस क्या है? बीडी. इसका बेस क्या होगा? एडी. तो हमें एक रिलेशन मिला एडी स्क्वायर बीडी इंटू डीसी. एडी लेंथ को that AD length is considered as B, BD as A, DC as C. So you put here, you will get this relation by this geometry. Now, according to the concept of geometry progression, if ABC are in GP, I can write, taking reference from this, series, second by first, B by A is equal to C by B. B square is equal to AC. So these these GP's concept are matching with the concept of similarity. So actually, relation between these three numbers in GP depicts the relation of similarity of two triangles, which is actually involved in geometry. So these progressions are going geometrically. In AP, series was increasing or decreasing arithmetically. That's why arithmetical progression plus D plus D plus D. Here into. So it is called geometrical progression. Now, summation of, hope you can hear me. If any doubt is coming, if any queries you have, you can ask. See, again, bring the concept of junior class. This type of synthetic division you did in junior class. This is the dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. So you can write that, dividend by divisor is equal to quotient. All of you know that. So simple phenomenon. But the thing to be noticed, notice करना क्या है? यहाँ पे जो डिविडेंड का हाईएस्ट पावर 3 क्वेश्चन का एक कम हो गया. जब डिविडेंड का हाईएस्ट पावर 4 क्वेश्चन को एक कम हो गया. जब डिविडेंड का हाईएस्ट पावर n क्वेश्चन को भी एक कम हो गया. तो इसका जरूरत क्या होगा जीपी में? देखो, सम ऑफ दीज नंबर्स इन जीपी. व्हाट कैन इन ओपन आई, व्हाट कैन आई टेक कॉमन? a. What will be left? 1r square r to the power n minus 1. अगर 1x square x to the power n minus 1 reduced to this expression, so in place of x only r, in lieu of x हमको r मिला, तो 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus. So this is GP's summation formula. Here r less than 1. And if r is greater than 1, only it will be in reverse form. Sn. Now, sometimes the series will go to infinitely. कोई एंडिंग नहीं है. तब n के जगह में हम इंफिनिटी पुट करूंगा. s ऑफ इंफिनिटी क्या होगा? ये r तो लेस देन 1 है ना, लेस देन 1 कैसे? सपोज हाफ लेस देन 1. नाउ तुम हाफ का स्क्वायर करो 1/4, फिर क्यूब करो 1/8. So keep on increasing the power of this fraction. Less than 1 means fraction. नंबर छोटा होगा कि ज्यादा होगा? छोटा हो जाएगा. छोटा होते होते ये एकदम जीरो हो जाएगा. If a number is reduced, and it will be reduced up to what extent? Up to 0. So if I put infinity like this, say half square, half cube. So you keep on increasing the power of this half. Number is not being increased, number is being decreased, and being decreased in this manner. Once it will be terminated at 0. So here, if r less than 1, it will become this. If r less than 1. So you can ask me, what happened in case of r greater than 1, and if I extend the series up to infinity? So in that case, if r greater than 1, say a number r greater than 1, say 3/2. Keep on increasing the value of 3/2, 3/2, 3/2 square, 3/2 cube. Number is being increased, and the widerness of number will be large and goes to infinity. The whole thing will become infinity. It cannot be terminated to a finite value. अगर r greater than 1 हो जाए, इसका कोई टर्मिनेटेड वैल्यू नहीं आएगा. ठीक है. नाउ हमको तो अरिथमेटिक मीन तो पता चला. तो अरिथमेटिक मीन है तो जियोमेट्रिक मीन भी होगा. बिकॉज ये जो जियोमेट्रिक फिगर हम ड्रॉ किया था, जियोमेट्रिक फिगर, यहाँ पे क्या है? एडी क्या होगा? एडी रूट BD minus DC. So in junior class you got what concept of this? Hope you can remember. In junior class you are told to draw root 21 by root 9.3 in this way. Okay. So we will find out geometric mean. Geometric mean कैसे आएगा? देखो, A, B, C are in GP. GP means geometric mean. ठीक है. इसका मतलब क्या है? B by A, C by B is equal to R. R is common ratio. Now B square is equal to AC. B is equal to plus minus root AC. You can ask me, why plus minus? When I will get plus, when I will get minus? And see, few years back, one student asked me, okay, you have written the formula. If A is 1 and C is -1, what happens in that case? Can I get B then? I got perplexed. Okay, A, B, C all are real number. तब तो रियल नंबर है, तो अगर ये 1 ये -1 हो सकता है, तब जियोमेट्रिक मीन क्या होगा? 1 into -1, अंडर रूट तो -1 आ जाएगा. अंडर रूट -1 तो इमेजिनरी नंबर, तो दो नंबर रियल, उसका मीन इमेजिनरी कैसे होगा? तब पता चला कि ये जो डेफिनेशन है जियोमेट्रिक मीन का, एग्जैक्ट डेफिनेशन क्या है? P will be root AC if A and C both greater than 0. It will be root minus AC if A, C both less than 0. If one positive, one negative, then we cannot find the geometric mean of those type numbers. Okay. If you get both the number positive, so in real number system in positive direction I will get root AC. But if both are negative, then obviously in negative side I will get minus root AC. So this is called geometric mean. This is geometric mean of two numbers A and C. अगर AP AP में हम किया है, we are not confined in only 3 numbers in AP, n numbers. तब GP में इसका एप्लीकेशन क्या है? What will be the application of GP if n number is provided? How to find the geometric mean? See, अगर if two numbers are provided, root AC. If x1, x2, x3 up to xn are n, I am taking positive numbers, then geometric mean will be for 2 number square root, for 3 number cube root, for n number nth root. Okay, this is the geometric mean. Now the question will come, is it possible to get the geometric mean if its weight is given like arithmetic mean? You see, in arithmetic mean you got what? If weighted mean is given x1 f1 xi fi type, in geometric mean it is possible? Yes, possible. See, if x1 recurs f1 time, इसका weight, x2 recurs f2 times, up to xn recurs fn times, तब geometric mean क्या होगा? तब weighted geometric mean x1 recurs f1 times. Suppose 2 recurs 3 times, 2 to the power 3. 4 recur 5 times, 4 to the power 5. In this way, x1 to the power f1, x2 to the power f2, x3 to the power f3, up to xn to the power fn. What is n over here? Sum of these weight or frequency we are taught in statistics. This is the geometric mean in case of frequency or weight are given. Okay? Now, do we have any relation between arithmetic mean and geometric mean? It is a question. Yes, there is a relation. What relation? We will establish. Hope up to this stage there is no doubt. If so, tell me. अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो बोलो. Okay. Let us take two positive numbers A and B. ठीक है? तो इसके अरिथमेटिक मीन क्या होगा? A plus B by 2. इसका जियोमेट्रिक मीन क्या होगा? Root AB. Now, let us subtract the second one from first and see the outcome. This A, can I write this in terms of a perfect square? Yes. Root A whole square. Can I write this in terms of a perfect square? Yes. Root b whole square. And I can take the LCM, and root AB can be splitted into two parts. 2 root A, root B by 2. Now, this thing will remind us what formula of junior class? A square plus B square minus 2AB. A square plus B square minus 2AB. So, that will be root A minus root B whole square by 2. Now the question that can it be negative? No. Why? Because denominator is 2 positive and numerator has power 2 whole square. So there is no such real number for which whole square be negative. ऐसा कोई रियल नंबर नहीं है जिसके लिए होल स्क्वायर नेगेटिव होगा. तब क्या होगा? ये इक्वल टू 0 हो सकता है. कब हो सकता है? अगर ए और बी इक्वल हो जाए तब इक्वल टू 0, otherwise always positive. So in for one case I can take equality 0, or for other case it will be greater than equal to 0. So what we have got? A, therefore A plus B by 2 minus root AB greater than equal to 0. This result I have got. And what conclusion it gives us? What conclusion? See, I can write A plus B by 2 greater than is equal to root AB. Now, what is A plus B by 2? Arithmetic mean. I told you there will be relation between arithmetic mean and geometric mean. We have got that relation. Arithmetic mean greater than equal to geometric mean. See, इक्वलिटी कब आएगा? जब ये जो डिजिट जिसका अरिथमेटिक मीन और जियोमेट्रिक मीन ले रहा हूं हम, वो जब इक्वल हो जाएगा. तो एज ए साइड नोट यू राइट equality holds if A is equal to B. Now, can we generalize this? Will it be applicable for m number of terms? Will it be applicable for weighted arithmetic mean and geometric mean? Yes. And what will be its expression? See, if there exist, this is a sign there exist. Okay, don't be afraid of this. Seeing this, there exist. If there exist n positive numbers, say x1, x2, x3 up to xn, then arithmetic mean greater than equal to geometric mean implies what? x1 plus x2 up to xn by n, number of terms is n, by n greater than equal to nth root. For two numbers square root, and for n numbers nth root. Equality holds if now the same thing we can use for weighted arithmetic mean. Weighted arithmetic mean. If x1 have weight f1, x2 has weight f2, dot dot dot, xn has weight fn, then what will be the relation? Arithmetic mean greater than equal to then arithmetic mean greater than equal to geometric mean implies what? First you write the arithmetic mean x1 f1 x2 f2 up to xn fn by greater than equal to geometric mean. What is the geometric mean? x1 to the power f1, x2 to the power f2, xn to the power fn to the power 1 by f1, f2, fn. Weighted arithmetic mean greater than equal to weighted geometric mean. So can I express it in much more reduced form? Yes, we can express it by summation xi fi by summation of fi greater than equal to what is the, see, summation, sigma means summation. Can you tell me the how can I write the product? How can I write the product in this way instead of using sigma? This is the product sign pi. So symbolically product will be written like this: I1 to n xi to the power fi summation of fi. So this is the expression by notation.